Hello viewers and subscribers. I'm doing an update on the golden zucchini, and what I can say is going into growing this golden zucchini, I thought by now I would have some zucchini to show you. It seems like the zucchinis are forming on the plant. As you can see, they're right here. And I am pollinating the zucchini, but what happens, and I'll show you, they end up shriveling up, and I'm not having success so far, but I'm not giving up either. I had the golden zucchini under some LED lights, but now I have moved the golden zucchini under some hidden harvest grow lights, and that's my hidden harvest grow lights. They're all set up, and I'm thinking possibly I'll be able to get some zucchini from doing that change. It remains to be seen though, but I'm not giving up. And I wanted to show you this huge leaf. Can you see this? Okay, so I just wanted to show you that what's going on with the golden zucchini. Another thing is I have a male flower that just opened up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to save the pollen in a bottle, and so when the fruit or the female starts to bloom, I'll have some saved pollen, and I'm going to attempt to do the pollination and see if that works. I'm not sure because this is my first time growing indoors a golden zucchini. I don't know, but I'm going to take you along on the journey of me trying to get a success out of growing zucchini indoors. And one thing that I was thinking about is that if Brad from Hidden Harvest Grow Lights or Hidden Harvest Company can grow just about everything in his grow room, I think that I can grow a zucchini as well. So until the next video update, and I'm going to update you in probably another 3 weeks. Blessings, y'all.